If you're looking for a stylish and super practical trash can, you need to see this dual trash can by Songmix. First off, this isn't fresh out of the box. I've been using this exact trash can for over a year now, and as you can see, it is still in excellent condition. It holds up amazingly well over time, doesn't break, and continues to look super clean and presentable in my kitchen. In fact, I own several items from Songmix, and I am consistently impressed by their quality and long-lasting durability. I love sharing products with you that I've actually tested and know really work. The small recycling and trash stickers you see on top are something I bought separately to make sorting even easier for everyone at home. Inside, there are two removable deep inner buckets with an optimal capacity. They are just the right size, large enough so you aren't constantly taking out the trash, but not so big that the bags become too heavy to carry. I personally like using scented trash bags that match this volume. On the inner buckets, there is a little rubber hole/grommet on the side. I'm not 100% sure what its original purpose was, but I use it to tuck in the excess plastic bag, which keeps the bag tightly in place so it never slips down. Now let me show you how the Stay Open lid feature works when you're cleaning or cooking. First, you press the pedal as usual to open it. Then, with your hand, you gently push the lid back slightly. You'll feel the mechanism engage, and then tilt it all the way open. That locks the lid in place, keeping it wide open so you can continuously toss things in while working around the kitchen. When you're completely finished, you just give the lid a quick push down with your hand, and it returns to its normal soft closing mode. It looks great, functions perfectly, and after a year of daily use, I couldn't be happier with it. Highly recommended.